floor warming system. We're in a kitchen on the first floor, and we just started laying the membrane, anti-fracture uncoupling membrane by Schluter. It's called DITRA-HEAT. That membrane is pretty unique because it allows us to insert the cable every 3 or every 2 rows, and we can form the warmed area in the shape we want. Of course, conforming to the requirements and restrictions given by the manufacturer, but it gives us a lot of flexibility. And because this is a first floor, and the underside of this floor deck is super insulated with Gutex 3¼ inch wood fiber insulation, I decided to use the regular DITRA-HEAT without the additional fleece. For those who are interested in insulating concrete slabs, not really insulating, but installing floor warming system over the concrete slab in a basement, there's such thing as DITRA-HEAT Duo, and basically it's the same product with additional layer of fleece, which supposedly reflects heat generated by the cable upward. So it prevents heat, the form of energy, from sinking into the concrete slab, which no one needs, no one wants. But that's more expensive, and I'm not sure how available it is now, given the shortages of raw materials that Schluter deals with. So that's that. We're trying to be economical with spreading that membrane, because it's, like I said, it's not really available and quite expensive. So in the areas where the cabinetry is going to be installed, we're using DITRA-XL, which is the same, almost the same thickness, 5/16 of an inch membrane, and we'll just put tiles over the entire surface, and basically no one really knows, right? There's no need to use DITRA-HEAT under your cabinetry, under the island, another row of cabinetry, and where it's not needed. So that's that. The system here is going to be pretty sophisticated, because we're talking about 600 plus square feet to be heated, as we are going to extend the cable to the powder room, to the foyer, into the kitchen, and further into the galley kitchen. The maximum area to cover with one thermostat and one spool is about 240, if I'm not mistaken, square feet. So this is almost 3 times more. Therefore, we're going to have one thermostat on a wall to control the entire system. But that system is going to be actually 3 systems combined together. That's why you see this additional tube, and in this outlet there's going to be a slave. I don't think you can call it thermostat. It's a module that serves as a slave to the thermostat, and it basically is responsible for one spool. Another spool is going to be controlled by another module, and the third spool of a cable is going to be controlled by the thermostat. But the 2 modules are slaves, and they're connected to the thermostat. So whatever the thermostat says, these modules do. And that's the way to expand the system, so people shouldn't feel like, oh, my kitchen or my whatever room is more than 300 square feet, there's no way to warm the floor up. And one word worth mentioning, this is floor warming system. I know that Schluter offers special engineering, or they require you to get a mechanical engineer so their system can be used as space heating. But in general, let's not expect miracles. This is to comfort your feet and warm the floor up. It's not meant to heat up the space.